Yeah. Danke my babe, danke my hush. 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 Richie, 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 be Richie, 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 be Richie, 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 be Richie, 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 be. Bitches love me cause they probably think I'm rich. Niggas hate me cause I got the finest chick. Joy in my heart, bitches on my ribs. South Africa gets very like Shebe shit. Bansiba all over, I'm making hits. Skamata king wanna say sika juicy lips. Kinisha cherry black on my podcast. House and TV, you living under the rock. Mpete go fedi punchline. The Beehive podcast making wave. Danke my babe, danke my hush. 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 Richie, 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 be Richie, 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 be.